And it's all right. This one is a strange one. Illegal cigarette sales booming in Kingston. They're saying more than 55% of the cigarettes smoked in Kingston are illegal. That's crazy. According to data from a 2018 illicit cigarette trade study conducted by Carreras. They say Kingston, 56.3%, followed by St. Anne, 29.6%, St. James, 28.5%. In other countries, it's normally about 18 to 25%.
Okay.
Yeah, Crossroads, downtown Kingston, and above halfway tree. Regions within the corporate area where these illegal cigarettes are being sold.
So the illegal ones are just on the black market, or is there something that's more harmful than in the regular one?
They say if you clamp down on a particular brand, you see another one just pop up. But there's a reason though, Carreras. Why is this? We're of the opinion that the supply chain is very organized. It sounds so. This is not an opportunistic person going out there.
55%? This is a business.
Yes. But we want to know how them get here. That is where the problem must start. You have to cut out the supply.
The illegal things get here. Somebody knows somebody who have a link at the right level.
Oh my God. But this is out of hand now. 56% and terrible. It's a whole heap of things. Because how it gets here, 1, 2, what are these brands that they're talking about? 3, are some real cigarettes? Are people buying kind of like mix up cigarette and then they're going to stick up and then smoke it?
If it's the real thing or if it's some kind of mash up.
And smoking in public places, cut down, so how illegal buying gone up.
So Carreras is saying that it needs to be fixed because this is a problem of revenue for the government as well. Because cigarette company or Carreras pays money.
This needs a campaign, Carreras. This needs a campaign. People, this needs a campaign.
That's a lot.
Yeah, this needs a campaign.
All right. So
next hot topic, Smile Jamaica is going to Namibia.
We're not going to Namibia.
Why we not go?
Were you get invited to Namibia?
No, but them said Jamaica and Namibia agreed to visa waiver.
Yes.
So since we don't need a visa for go there,
I think it's visa alone.
We just need to just get some camera and go to Namibia.
You're going to buy the ticket then?
Eh?
Out of the proceeds from Case of the Eggs? You will buy everybody tickets?
Anyway, Namibia must have studio down there, so we just need to figure out how we're going to beam Smile Jamaica from there.
We have to reach first. The point I'm making.
No, man, visa free, man. We can reach enough way.
On your private jet.
President, what's his name? Gengob?
Gengob.
So the two countries have now cemented a deeper bond. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is there, by the way, and so is Minister Grange. It's the first official visit to Namibia by Jamaican head of government. I'm very happy about it because I think Jamaica needs to continue to cement ties with Africa. I think we've ignored Africa for too long. We have a cursory hello and goodbye, but there's so many things that our nations and it's a whole continent.
Of course.
The whole continent.
Ancestry rooted
yes.
in that continent. You saw the folks standing under the sign, Marcus Garvey sign a while ago. They actually renamed a street after what's it called? Marcus Garvey Street.
Hero, man.
So great. This is good.
Yes, so they're working to secure stronger relationships in areas including trade, investment, banking, sport, and culture. I never look for Landia show me our time. Because when I run out the album, I'm telling us the time I'm going to run out, and I pay me no mind.
What would I tell you for the rap?
U.S. schools eye facial recognition technology to boost security. All right.
I guess that's needed as the trends of shootings in schools continues.
But now the school putting them on shoot?
Well, I guess if you... Who knows how this is going to work?
Well, they say it's to enable security officers to quickly respond to the appearance of expelled students, disgruntled employees, sex offenders or certain weapons. So, all right, I'm with anything to protect the children. I am for it.
Okay.
Nice.
Birthdays?